Go.
Hello everyone, we are doing a very good experiment. You may not want to try this at home, but if you are, you'll need a hose, a dead splat ball, some safety goggles, and a helmet. Stay like a little bit back because it may fall. Oh, and I need to show you this. We have this tie on because we tried it and it didn't work as well, so let's see if it works now. Hit it, Mom. The yoke is going all crazy.
Almost. Kayla, come hold this.
Oh, we had a leak in ours, so my dad is fixing it.
Turn it back on.
It's still on. My dad is holding it for an example. So let's take a full look. Here's the top of it. Sorry, but I'm just covering it with my shadow. I'm not going to be very close. I'm at least going to stay a little bit back.
Are you still recording, Kayla?
Yeah. Been on for 2 minutes. Sorry about that noise. That was the UPS truck. Let's take a look at it now. So this is what it looks like. Dad is leaking a little. The water's coming out. Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Let's see what it feels like.
It's huge.
Oh, that scared me.
Still filling up.
Oh no, it's leaking out just as fast as it's going in.
Cut. It is.
The yolk feels super soft. And that's the end of our video. And that's the end of our video. Thank you. Bye-bye.